How to create a survey using AI in BlockSurvey.io. To get started, click the link in the video description to open the BlockSurvey webpage. Once you're on the webpage, log into your account. If you don't have an account yet, simply click the Get Started button to create one. After logging in, locate and click on the Create Using AI tool. This powerful feature allows you to upload a document or paste the URL of your website's frequently asked questions. Here, you'll find some sample prompts. Choose the one that best suits your needs by clicking on it. The prompt will automatically populate in the insert bar. Remember to personalize it by replacing the service provider with your website's name. Once you've customized your prompt, click the Generate Questions button to proceed. Now take a moment to review the questions that have been generated for you. If there are any you don't like, simply delete them by clicking the trash bin icon. And if you need more related questions, just click the plus icon to generate additional ones. Once you've carefully selected your desired questions, click the Create button to continue. Now it's time to edit and finalize your survey. You have the flexibility to change the questions and answers using this editing page. You can also change the font and theme of your survey. To change the font, click on Settings, and then select the Brand menu. Here you can choose the font that you prefer and apply it to your survey. Make sure it aligns perfectly with your branding. Similarly, you can change the survey theme by selecting the Themes menu. Find a theme that suits your style and click Apply. It's all about making your survey truly reflect your brand and unique personality. To ensure your survey looks just the way you want it, click the eye icon located in the top right corner of your screen to preview it. Take your time to observe each detail before moving forward. Once you're satisfied with your survey, it's time to publish it. Click the Publish button to make it available to participants. If you'd like to have a copy as a JSON or PDF file, you can export it by clicking on the Export menu on the left-hand side and then clicking Download.